I repeat, it's for the parents too. 5 things if you have stable in your home, including you follow it, सब सॉर्टेड हो जाएगा अपने आप, प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है। पढ़ लेंगे, कल पढ़ लेंगे, वीकेंड को पढ़ लेंगे, आज दीदी की शादी का वो है, पाइल अप, वर्क पाइल्स अप। Every day when you come back from school, change your uniform, have a quick bite, doesn't mean quick, it means have a lunch, sit down to study and only then you're allowed to go out to play. ये रूल होना चाहिए हर घर में। एक बार आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी ना, then you will be very confident. You don't worry about it. Goal. Set your goals and start working towards that.
Pihu from 6th class wants to ask how can she get rid of her shyness.
Very good. अच्छा पीहू, right? अच्छा पीहू तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बड़ी फ्रेंड है, बहुत बात करती है, अच्छे फ्रेंड है, सब कुछ मस्ती करते हो आप लोग, लेकिन हाँ क्लास में अगर नया वो then Pihu gets very nervous. Pihu knows the answer, but then she gets nervous. What is the way to counter that? Is start ये जो आंसर जो मैंने पूछा था आज को वो है stand in front of the mirror and the answer. Start practicing speaking in front of the mirror. Show short confidence. मजा भी आएगा बहुत।
Samriddhi wants to ask how can she build her self-confidence.
List बनाओ ना, अभी बताया था second question, second point. The three things we talked about. Second is self-worth. Yeah, we use the word self-worth. Correct? Right? Self-worth is self-confidence. Which means what are the things you do? What do you like? What do you do? Start making a list of things you do, and then when you write them down, you will start believing them, and that is your self-confidence. Also sometimes it happens that parents are a little strict. You know, some parents are difficult to please. Your parents cannot. So then it's all the more easier, very important for you to start writing down what you're good at and what you can improve upon also. Something we are left out of it, if we improve upon that, our confidence will come. Fixed nahi hai. It is not the responsibility of the thing. I repeat, it's for the parent too. 5 things if you have stable...
Managing stress during exams.
Yeah, I'll come to that. I was talking, yes, something similar. Studies. So managing stress for studies, very important. I just now spoke to you. The children who need pending work will always be under stress. You know, ये जो first आते हैं ना, first second आते हैं, ये कोई ऐसे genius नहीं है कि अंतरसाइन के ग्रेड जाते तो next level 180 IQ ऐसे कुछ नहीं। हम सब लोगों का average IQ में आते हैं इस वक्त पे बैठे, and most of us are same similar IQ. How do they get more marks? Not that they are extra intelligent, just being regular. I have spoken an important message today. Please think very clear what I'm saying. Do you understand? घर जाके आप जब लंच करके आपको होता है दिमाग में सब लोग कब 5 बजे में कब क्रिकेट खेलने जाऊँ, कब मुझे वहाँ साइकिल करनी है आज को, अरे कल संडे कल ना वो वाली मूवी बनी थी वो बता रहा था कोई बात करेंगे। So what do we do is something which needs to be done, we don't do it, which means you come back from school, even if you have to do all those things you're doing. लेकिन हम क्या है, हम पहले वहाँ पहुँच गए, and I'm not saying watching a movie is bad, I'm not saying that, I'm saying we've already reached there. It's actually 3 o'clock and we've reached to 5 o'clock, right? So from 3 to 5, you say 2 hours, yeah, 2 hours. No, you say मैम करना क्या है उसमें, करना ये है, आपका टाइम टेबल था आज क्लास में, You had the first period, second, third, fourth. Take out your books, revise from the first period, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This will take you about 1.5 hours to 1 hour 45 minutes. And I'm talking about middle school. Higher classes will take a little longer, but not necessarily, because as you go higher, go higher, you learn how to take notes. When you take and okay. एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है तुम एकेडमिक्स की बात नहीं कर रहे थे, इसलिए मैं मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं थी या एप्लीकेशन नहीं, पर नेवर माइंड। मैंने भी एक बात बोली थी ना, जो बच्चे ए लाते हैं, जो अच्छे मार्क्स लाते हैं, वो जनरली अपनी प्रॉब्लम जरूर पूछते हैं। आई जस्ट सेड दैट राइट। द चिल्ड्रन हु गेट वेरी गुड मार्क्स इन देयर एग्जाम, इन एकेडमिकली बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, those children do their revision every day. And before that, a very important part, revision से पहले आपकी क्लास में जो बच्चे attention pay करते हैं, जो attentive होते हैं ना क्लास में, मैम क्या पढ़ा रही है, उनको घर जाकर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, because they already understood the concept, they understood. प्रॉब्लम उनको आ रही है जो कहते हैं अरे यार आज मैं संडे को पढ़ा था तो बच्चे ना अच्छा तू चिल्ड्रन आर टॉकिंग distracted miss out on सबसे पहला पॉइंट, जो अच्छे स्ट्रॉन्ग एकेडमिक बच्चे होते हैं, जो जीनियस नहीं है, they pay attention in class. So if you want to start, be smart and tell your friend that you are kind of distracting you. You talk about it. Pay attention in class.
Pragya wants to
Yes, my children have enjoyed the kind of questions that they have posed, and they have been sitting and watching and listening. This clearly shows that they have enjoyed ma'am's session. And thank you. The kind of questions children ask testifies that they were listening to you, they absorbed everything you said, and I am hopeful that they will all follow. And there was a lot of surprises also that the people who are I mean, my head girl is facing anxiety, so a lot of stories also came out with their questions. A girl whom I see dancing fearlessly on stage is now telling me that I am facing shyness. So we'll also get to know the challenges our children are facing, and we can always work towards them and make our classrooms and our children a happier one, definitely.